Here we come to the elevators at the Moody Gardens Hotel North Tower in Galveston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A with RT fixtures. I got that one over there. Peak. Never seen a Schindler 500A traction with RT. This one's got a very loud fan, so we're gonna send this up and we'll capture the other two set of elevator cars in the across the way. That fan is just very obnoxious. That's a Wheelock E50 speaker strobe. That indicator doesn't work. This one's not as loud. And it's got that beautiful floor passing chime. We're at 9. All right, let's go down to M. Son, watch the button go out. There it goes, and that's it.